what they are saying. There are red
There
counters
are
and some blue counters. The ratio of them is 3:1. Two counters are removed at random. The probability that both the
mm-hmm.
counters taken are blue is 1 over 20. Work how many counters were in the bag before any counters were removed. So basically we have to get this initial ratio. So we right now we don't know exactly how many red were there, how many blue were there. So we'll just convert them from ratios. How we convert them into numbers, we'll take a common multiple as x. We'll say red
Mm-hmm.
was 3x, blue was x, and total was 4x.
4x.
Yeah. Now make tree diagram of choosing two counters. So initially when you choose, what is probability that you'll get red and what is probability that you'll get blue?
3x over 4x.
Yes. And your x over 4x.
Yeah.
Now in second chance, like for the second
It will be,
counter,
if it's red,
if it's red,
it can now be 3x minus 1.
3x minus 1 over 4x minus 1.
4x minus 1.
Yeah. And if it's blue, it's again
X
x.
minus 1 for.
No, not x minus 1, na, because the first was red. So now
Um,
still blue is x. There's no
oh,
change in
okay,
blue.
yeah. Yeah.
Now for this blue, the first was blue. Second, the probability for red is, now it is still 3x. There's no change to
3x
it. The denominator will be
over
4x minus 1. For blue, it
minus
will
1.
be x minus 1.
X minus 1 or 4x minus 1.
Yes. Now what they have given you for this blue to blue. Well, the probability of getting both the counters blue is 120. So they have given you this as 120. So
Yeah.
normally, like how we get the probability when we know first counter probability and second counter probability, we get it
You
by
times
multiplying
it.
them. Just no, yeah, we times
Yeah.
them, multiply them. So it's x over 4x multiply by x minus 1
Mm.
over 4x minus 1 equals to 1 over 20. So we'll solve this and get the value for x.
Okay,
This x gets cancelled out. Shifting that 4 on that side. So what we'll get is x minus 1 upon 4x minus 1 equals 4 over 20 is 1 over 5. Now do cross multiplication. 5x minus 5 equals 4x minus 1. 4x coming on this side will give you 5x minus 4x is x. Minus 5 going that side. 5 minus 1 is 4. So x equals to 4.
I do not understand how you like multiplied it. Did you multiply x times x minus 1? 4x
Yeah, I
times
multiplied
4.
it. I cross multiplied it. Shifting 5 on that side, so 5x minus 5 multiplied by x is 5x, 5 multiplied by minus 1 is 5 minus 5.
How did you get 1? How did you get 1 over 5?
By shifting this 4 on that side, so 4 over 20 is 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20.
But how can you shift the 4? Don't you have to expand it first then?
No, why? See, it is in multiplication. After cancelling this x and x, I am left with 1 over 4 in multiplication. Like 1 over 4 here. I can shift that 1 over 4. Na? It is not an addition or something that I can't shift. It is just in like multiplication. I can just shift this 4 on that side. It's in multiplication with this whole thing. With this whole thing. So I can shift that 4 on that side. It will go in numerator. So you get x as 4. So now you can just substitute that x here in total. Total was 4x. So they want you to know the total number of counters. So that is 4 times 4, which is 16. So total number of counters before any counter were removed is 16. Copy this down.